Good morning, everyone. Today's adventure is going to be leaky sinks, fascia board, go check out a move out, stuff like that. So sit down, relax, and let's get started. Look how narrow this new development is here. I mean, there's no parking. The street's barely enough for one truck. Jeez. Well, we're going to have to move on from that one because they're not answering the door. So we'll come back here in a little bit. Let me go check out another place really quick. All right, we're here at one of the move outs. Let's see what it looks like inside. Okay. Now this is what I'm talking about. Oh, not bad at all. Let's check it out. Looks like they left a heater. How do you turn this on? Yeah. Okay. Pretty clean. Bathroom's clean. Okay. Closet. Oh, jeez. All right. This is how everybody should move out. Leave it clean. Well, that's a little bit of a issue there. See if I can fix that really quick. Well, that was a little tricky. Okay. Perfect. Well, that's why we got a leak. All right, well, I need a gasket too. I got one in here somewhere. Maybe this one will work. Oops. Need that piece. Oh. Oh, come on. So it looks like when they made this, it made it a little too short. I'm gonna put this one in. Okay, water's running. I'm gonna put it a longer piece there. I'll tell you what, man, these new constructions, I mean, look at these places. You can't even hold. Huh. Built so fast. Unbelievable. I mean, it's like how fast and cheap can you build one of these houses? Unbelievable. On to the next. I mean, build them cheap and build them fast. And ask for $1 million. That's the name of the game. So if you guys are looking to buy a house, Look for a house that's like from the 80s and down. 80s, 70s, and 60s. Those are built pretty good. Oh, raise the banner. Raise it high, let the northern thunder rise. Hey, hey, side by side. Oh, on to the next one. Just sitting here, enjoying some music. Okay. Let's see. Well, they like to eat blinds. I can see. Jeez. What's this, bathroom? Oh, hey now, hey. This place can eat all new blinds. Oh, got a hole here. Huh. What? Very small place. We need some paint and some blinds. All right, well, I'm at a different location. They want me to place some fascia board. This looks like hell. But I think what they're talking about, the stuff that's missing. Let's get some measurements. Down we go. All right, you guys, well, there's a lot of rotten wood behind that. Good Lord. Well, that's it for now. It's too damn hot. I think it's 105, maybe 2. Too hot for this fat boy. All right, you guys, subscribe to the channel. I'll check you on the next one. Bye.